For English, press 1. हिंदी के लिए 2 दबाएं.
Hello.
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 Yeah, this is Nata from Reuters.
Yeah. So basically, under Article 368,
Okay.
we have two ways by which we can amend the Constitution,
Correct.
and there is also another way for amending the Constitution, which is by the simple majority itself.
Correct.
Okay, and any amendment which is done under Article 368 is termed as like first, second, 14th, 19th Constitutional Amendment Act. And what about this, which is done by the simple majority? What are they termed? Like when, like the citizenship, it comes under this simple majority thing. But when the Citizenship Amendment Act was proposed,
Yeah, they just call it the name Citizenship Amendment Act. That's it.
okay. So sir, now I have this problem with the Article 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Under Article 2 and 3, the Parliament has the power to make new states. Okay, within the India or outside the territory itself.
Right.
And Article 4 says that it can be done by a simple legislative process. There is no need of constitutional amendment under Article 368. But in certain cases, there were amendments. Like in case of Goa, Naga, and all these things, there were amendments. But in case of like Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, there was this act only, the Andhra State Act, this kind of thing. So why?
Why?
Did you get my question or not?
I'm not getting a question. Can you come again?
Okay. So basically under Article 4, it is written there that for doing anything under Article 2 or 3,
Okay. Before that, may I know your name?
I'm
Okay. So the doubt is like why they have used the word amendment, right?
no. Basically in Goa, okay, in Damandiv, in Puducherry, there is this 14th Constitutional Amendment Act, and this in Goa there is this, I think, 9th or 10th Constitutional Amendment Act, 12th Constitutional Amendment Act. But in case of Telangana, there is Andhra State Act. In case of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, it is let me check. 17th.
So if you look into the background of the Goa, was it part of India?
No,
What about state of Telangana?
it was a part of India.
Right. So there is a difference between the both.
So, but that's what no. There is Article 2 is dealing with the case of Goa. It says that you can. Let me see. Actually, I forgot the article. 1 minute. Yeah, Article 2 gives this power to the Parliament that admit into the Union of India or establish new states on such terms and conditions as it thinks fit. So this power has been given to the Parliament.
Okay, fine. So we'll do one thing, Tom, because the call I just transferred to the politics, but regarding this, actually I had given.
So guys, here you can see that at first Minter was trying to convince by this argument that no, the case of Goa is different, like it was admitted into the Union of India. So Minter even didn't have this idea that okay, Article 2 gives this power to the Parliament, that you can admit into the Union of India or establish new states on such terms and conditions as it thinks fit. Basically, for this doubt, I called, I think, for more than 5 or 5th time, and every time there was some different argument by different mentors, but not a right argument. The only reason behind this is that why was there a constitutional amendment, because this Article 4 provides only changes in certain parts of the constitution which can be done by the simple legislative process. Beyond that, if you do any changes or you amend the constitution, then it will be done under Article 368. Like in case of Goa, actually I do not remember the article, I think it was 241 or 247 something, by which president was given some special powers for these union territories. So for this purpose, the constitutional amendment was proposed. Not that this the case of like Goa does not come under the provisions of Article 2 or 3. No. So mentor was totally wrong there. At one time, I think the mentor explained to me around more than 30 minutes for this thing, but he made nothing clear. It's like they use these fancy words, all these things, but they are not that qualitative, which is promised by the counselor.